Welcome back to Opal Beauty. Today, as you can see, I just shampooed my hair with the Design Essentials almond and avocado shampoo. It's great, it's amazing. I always use this, as well as the almond butter deep conditioner. It's an express deep conditioner. It is great, makes your hair feel really good and moisturized. And then I put also the almond and avocado detangling leave-in conditioner in my hair. So today I figured it would be pretty cool if I showed you how I do my twist out. So I'm gonna detangle my hair using a detangling brush that I have here. And then I'm actually going to use the curl enhancing mousse to kind of help me along with that process. And then I'm going to use the coconut and manoi jelly. Now this is the curl defining jelly. I love this. It is amazing. This will give your hair some really good shine for your twist outs. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how I detangle my hair. Then I'm going to show you a little bit of the twist. I'm going to sit up under my dryer and then I'm going to come back for the reveal. So let's get started with this detangling situation. Now my hair is really tangled up right now because I did not brush it prior to me shampooing it, which I think is a very good idea. If you're going to be at home trying to detangle your hair, you should brush it beforehand. That's the curling mousse. You should brush it beforehand because that'll just help you along your process. I use my hands and I also use the detangling brush, but my ends need to be trimmed really bad. You know, as a stylist, you typically do everybody else's hair. You just don't do the same things that you do for your clients. And so that's what happens with me very often. So you want to start from the bottom. As you can see what I'm doing, start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top. And there we go. So you can take this section by section throughout your hair. As you can see, there's my lovely curl pattern coming out. And I'm just going to take this, pull it to the side, and then I'm going to start again from the bottom. Start from the bottom. As you can see, start from the bottom and then work your way up. You know, it's been really interesting during this quarantine. I've been doing my clients' hair and I've been like, who's gonna do my hair? So my hair has been kept up by me. I don't do as much as I should. There's so much more that I should do for my hair and to my hair. Today I did a really good conditioning, which was great. And you should really condition your hair. Deep condition your hair at least once every 2 weeks. I mean, really you could do it every week if you have time. But every 2 weeks, a good deep conditioner would really go a long way. So my curl pattern comes out, as you can see, fairly quickly because I've been natural for a really long time and I typically wear my hair natural 100% of the time. I straighten my hair maybe 3 times a year just to switch it up, and then I get my ends trimmed and go on about my business. You don't want to have any split ends. I mean, and I may just have to cut them myself. I might just have to get in the mirror and get another mirror and cut them myself. You know, that's always an option. And I might have to do it. So I'm almost done detangling, as you can see. Start at the bottom, move your way up. And honestly, my hair wouldn't be this tangled up if I had brushed it beforehand. I'm going to put these 2-strand twists in. Typically, I would put them in at night and sleep with it in, and then in the morning I would take it down. But today, since I want to show you guys how I'm doing it, I'm going to do the 2-strand twist, and then I'm going to sit under my dryer, and then I'm going to show you the reveal. So you've seen the detangling and some really good brushes for detangling. It's called Finger Brush by Olivia Garden. This one is pretty good. So that's this one. And then there's also the wet brushes, the wet detangling brushes. I use those a lot too on my clients. So now you're just going to take a rat tail comb, and I like my part to be on this side. So you're going to just part that. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, because what I'm going to want is a little volume like that, okay? So, because I did not bring a clip with me to do this video, I'm going to just twist this up, move it out of my face, right? And then I'm going to take my coconut and Monoi curl defining jelly. So I'm not going to make these really small. Take 2 dots like that. I don't know if you, I think you can see that. 2 dots of that. Then you just put it all over. Put it all over the strand. Make sure it's fully saturated in there. And then you're going to pull 2 pieces apart like so. And you're going to twist. So you just twist like this. Twist all the way down like this, okay? So, and then there you go. And there's your 2-strand twist. So let's try that again. I'm gonna go back further this way, and I'm gonna just get some more of my hair. I typically only have like a few twists in my head. I don't have a lot. I have a few. There's your 2 dots again, and you just put it all over. Make sure you get the ends, okay, and pull it apart like so, and then you twist. But this style will last you a long time. Some people wear the twists as twists and they don't take them apart. You could do it that way, or you can pull them apart like I'm gonna do and let your hair just run free. Okay, so I'm gonna twist the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna come back when it's all done and show you how it looks, and then get up under the dryer. The 2-strand twists are in, as you can see. And I'm getting ready to sit up under my hair dryer for probably 35 minutes. Um, may take longer, may take shorter amount of time, but as you can see, these are the twists. Those are my gray hairs. My hair is dry. This little part up here, some of it is a little damp, but I just couldn't sit up under the dryer longer than 35 minutes. So it's just gonna have to air dry. But I wanted to show you how to take your twist down. You need to get an oil. This is a oil that I created and it will be available soon. I'm in the beginning stages of creating this oil, but when it is ready, I will definitely let you guys know where you can go to purchase it. So you just take your oil and get a little bit on there. Okay, you can see that. So get a little bit of oil on your hands, and as you can see, mine are really oily. And you just want to start from the bottom to take your twist down, and you want to keep going until you get to the top. As you can see, the shine that's happening there with the oil. Untwist like so. Make sure your strands get nice and moisturized with the oil on your hands. And you just start at the bottom and you unravel your twist. I like the shine that's on my hair right now. That's how you want your hair to be. You don't want it to be dry, like at all. No dryness. Dryness is not good, especially for natural hair, because our hair is already drying. It needs oils and moisture. Now, when I do my twists, I like to leave mine in for a long time. I like it to be in so long that my hair looks like an afro, because I love the way it looks when it looks like there's an afro in. I will wear mine for a while. You can sleep on a satin pillow or you can sleep with a satin bonnet. Okay, so this is the way it looks. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in my hand, even though my hair is already oily. Just kind of go through and get the roots, because you want to make sure that your hair gets all that oil in there. I like mine to be messy anyway. I don't like it to be neat, but if you like yours neat, this is this is our final style. If you like it to be neat, I like mine to be messy, so I'll use my detangling brush that I used before, and I will go to the root and push it back. So you go this way and then you go back, and that will create volume in your hair. So you do the same thing on this side. You want to go the opposite direction and up like this, and that will create a little volume. I'm going to do it in the back as well and go up and create a little volume. So you see how that created some volume there. And then what I like to do is unravel a little bit more. It's better to start at the bottom so your ends won't look out of place, and they'll still have that nice crinkle in them if you start at the bottom. So just start at the bottom, take your time. This is a process. It takes time. It's not going to be as messy as I want it because this is literally the first day that I'm doing it. And usually on the first day, it's not the style that you want it to be. It needs a few days to get, to that style that you want. Unless you just really mess up your roots and you kind of pull it out a little more, then it'll be the style that you want that day. But I like to let mine just kind of rise, and that's what it does. It'll just rise over time. The roots will get thicker, like an afro. And I like that, like a curly, wavy type afro. You can pull them out as much as you want. Just depends on what you're going for, what look you're trying to achieve. But just do what makes you feel good. Do what makes your hair look, great, the way you want it to pop, and you will be happy with that. So for me, I like mine to just be really big. So I'm gonna just do this again. I'm actually gonna, you can even start inwardly and do it. So you can pull that hair back like this. Start there and go back like that, and that will create extra volume right there on the root. So since this is the first day of hair, I don't want to mess it up too much, but I do like volume, and I like mine to be kind of big and all over my head. And in time, it will get to that place. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, the products that I used were the almond and avocado shampoo from Design Essentials, the almond butter express deep conditioner from Design Essentials, the curl enhancing mousse from Design Essentials, and the coconut and manoi jelly from Design Essentials, and my oil to take it down. You can purchase all of the Design Essential products that I mentioned in this video. It will be in the description box, and there will be a link that you can click on to go to their website and purchase those products there. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, you can leave them for me in the comment section. Let me know if you love these products, if you do your twist outs the same way, and if you love the style, if you love the video, I'll do more like this. So let me know your thoughts, and I want you to have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video. Click the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys next time.